on the front deck. A few things I'd like to tell you as far as the trash goes. When you get your trash bags full in your trash barrels, just tie up the bags and you can throw the full bags in these hatches. Blackstone griddle will come with a bottle of gas already on it, but if you run out of that tank, then there's another full tank here that you can change out. There's a throw buoy here if somebody is in distress out in the water. There's a fire extinguisher over here on the front deck as well. As far as tying the boat up, first of all, when you go to beach your boat, please beach it onto a nice soft beach and not on a hard rocky beach. We've got 150 foot of stern rope on each side, and it's tied off at the back of the boat at the stern on a cleat. What you'll do is leave it tied to the back of the boat, but untie it here in the front and take that rope out at a 45-degree angle, tie it around a tree really tight, and then also take this rope on the starboard side and do the same thing. Take it loose from the front of the boat, leave it tied to the back, and take it out at a 45-degree angle from the back of the boat. All right. So let's go to the back of the boat now. Okay, we're on the back deck of boat 3. One of the things I want to show you is how to restart the generator if it overheats. If it has overheated and shut down, it is a water-cooled engine, so it draws water out of the lake through the standpipe. And then there's a strainer here that can get obstructed with vegetation or small fish. So to check it, you'll need to remove this cap on the top of the strainer. Pull the strainer out. It's clean. If it's not clean, obviously, flush it out, put it back in, replace the cap. Now sometimes you can do that 2 or 3 times and it's obvious that it's not the strainer. In that case, it's probably an obstruction in the standpipe. In that case, you can either call us and we'll flush that out with a scuba tank, or this boat is equipped with a ball valve that you can turn and you can use something to poke through there and remove the obstruction. Okay, also, you've got your slide here that has water to it, and the way to turn the water on is this switch here at the back of the hallway. Turn that on and you get water on the slide. Okay. Every bedroom on our boats is equipped with a CO monitor. As we're using a generator, it's very important to have one of those. Here's one right here. Here's another fire extinguisher here in the kitchen area. You start the generator right here. First of all, we'd want to make sure that the shore power switch is in off position, and then hit this momentary button. When you get the green light, it means the generator has started. For starting the engines, turn the engine to the on position, hit this button right here, look for a blinking red light, and then go ahead and start that engine. You'll know the engine is started because the tachometer is showing RPM. Turn on the next ignition, press this control button, you get the blinking light, then go ahead and start that engine. There is a There are separate fuel gauges on this boat. There's also a red rudder indicator, a depth finder. There are temperature, oil pressure gauges that you need to watch, just like on any vehicle. Once the generator is started, you can switch the shore power switch back to generator again. If you would like to pilot the boat from the fly bridge, you'll need to push this control button up here, and you see the red lights come on, which means you can now control the boat from the top deck. When you want to return to piloting the boat from the helm, you'll press the same button down at the helm to return control back down to the helm. This boat has enough life jackets for the capacity of this boat. They're located here in this bin on the port side of the upper deck. Okay, so we just filled this up with clean water, so it's only 70 degrees right now.
Heating up.
If you don't think it's working right, check the mode it's in. To do that, you go from the warm button to the light button. So I hit warm, light. It's in economy mode, which will take forever.
Yeah.
Warm, light. SL is standby, which means it's not heating at all. What you want it on is SE.
Okay. So you just hit warm light till you
Warm
get it
light,
to
warm
to
light.
where it
Scrolls
needs to
through
be.
the modes.
And SE
And then
is
warm and cool, obviously, to set the temperature.
SE
Right now
is the
it's-
one that heats it up fast.
Right.
Gotcha.
Set on 101 right now.